I work in the paint department, quality for the paint. On the go, because the paint line never stops. When I'm inspecting the trailers, some parts are missing welds or missing holes. We've been able to bring more attention to specific areas that are having difficulty with. Before, there was no way to differentiate what department had issues. The convenience of being able to use it on my phone. It's a lot easier for me with my phone because I can get into narrower, littler spots. I took lots and lots of pictures. I primarily use the photos when we have issues, something we would reject or have a problem with. It is making a big difference. It makes it a lot easier. You can take the picture, you can zoom in on it, you can circle it. It makes it a lot easier to show the exact place that you're talking about. Before that, we were pretty much handwriting, so it made a big difference. Make it easier for what we do in the paint department has made a world of difference. Yeah, it makes it a lot faster. It makes it very easy.
Alpha Transform is an indispensable tool for managing reliable data to improve your quality operations. Perhaps it's time to let Alpha go to work for you. Let us go the extra mile to revolutionize your business practices. Alpha Software. We get work done.